Recently, my vanity has had a lot of new additions, and some of them are new launches, some of them are products that I wanted to try. So, yeah, let's talk about it. First up, we have the Derma Co 2% salicylic acid gel face wash. Now, if you have a congested skin, if you have acne prone, oily combination skin, this face wash is going to be a good option, but I would say skip it if you have dry skin. Now, this foams pretty well. I do feel like that it helps to rapidly dry out my active acne. I won't say that this is the only product that's helping me to dry out my acne, but this has definitely helped, and I have noticed that my skin feels less oily when I apply this face wash. And also, I had some whiteheads on my chin. It has helped me with that. This is a fragrance free face wash, by the way. Next up, I have is the Dot & Key Dragon Fruit Bounce Sunscreen Cushion Gel. It has got 50 plus SPF, PA+++++. These are in vivo tested sunscreens. I love the vitamin C sunscreen and also the watermelon cooling sunscreen. Those are my absolute favorite sunscreens, but I feel like I have a new favorite. The texture is super lightweight, and I would say that if you have combination or oily skin, you can skip moisturizer. You can skip moisturizer with this sunscreen because it is hydrating, but it does not feel oily or greasy on the skin. It's very lightweight and it adds a beautiful glow to the skin. This sits beautifully under makeup. अभी भी मैंने इसको लगाया हुआ है and I absolutely love this. I think we have a new sunscreen favorite. Another body care find I have is the MCaffeine Guava Teeny D-Tan Body Wash. This has got 6% brightening actives. This has got glycolic acid, kojic acid, niacinamide, guava extracts, caffeine, and this is supposed to remove tan and helps with skin brightening. It lathers pretty well. It has a tangy fruity guava fragrance. I am not a fan of the fragrance, I'll be honest. I don't usually prefer guava fragrances, but I only got this for the detanning aspect. I would say that if you have very old tan, like 1-2 saal purana tan, I think you will have to use it repeatedly to see results. But if you have very fresh tan, if you have been freshly baked in the sun, this will help with the tan. I think everyone who watches my video knows how much I love my tonymoly Wonder Ceramide Toner. So I wanted to give this a try. I wanted to try something new, and this is the Wonder Hyaluronic Acid Chok Toner. It has a more thinner texture than the milky toner. It's extremely hydrating, and the glow it adds, oh my god, I am a fan. Next up, we have the Wishcare 3:1:1 Barrier Bounce Moisturizer. Now, it's a non-comedogenic moisturizer. It has got peptides, vegan mucin, ceramide complex, cholesterol and fatty acids. Honestly, I had really high hopes with this moisturizer, but I am disappointed. It has a gel-like texture, but also it feels slightly thick and goopy, and it has that slimy snail mucin kind of texture. वो सब तो ठीक है, but after using this moisturizer, I sweat a lot and it's not moisturizing enough as well. My skin feels weirdly tight and stretchy and very stiff. Usually barrier repair creams are supposed to be more moisturizing and more nourishing on the skin, but this is not at all moisturizing, and this is coming from a combination skin person. So imagine someone with dry skin using this. I think I'm gonna empty this out by using it on my body. I don't think I'm going to use it on my face. I had high hopes with it. I love Wishcare sunscreens, so yeah. Next up, I have is the Nivea Super Serum Lotion. It has got vitamin C, vitamin A and E in it. This has the perfect consistency for summers. It's lightweight, non-greasy and absorbs quickly into the skin and adds a very beautiful glow to the skin. And I would say the glow is not unrealistic like usually influencers are showing in the videos, but it definitely adds a healthy glow on the skin. It feels like as if a serum and a moisturizer had a baby. That's how the consistency looks like. It has a very mild citrusy kind of fragrance that lingers throughout the day. Really good option for the summer seasons. You definitely want to check this out. Another Nivea find I have is the Derma Control Even Tone Body Lotion, and again this has got vitamin C. This has a very citrusy, fresh, floral kind of fragrance. It helps with odor control and sweat, and this is supposed to lighten dark underarms. Honestly, I still haven't tried it that much. अभी मैंने बस इसको 2-3 बार ही यूज़ किया है, so I can't tell right now about the underarm lightening aspect of it. Next up, I have 2 hair serums from Loreal, and these are not new launches, but मैंने recently इनको purchase किया. The L'Oreal Glycolic Gloss. It has got 3% glycolic acid complex. Now, if you have dull porous hair, it doesn't have any shine, it doesn't have any life to it. This serum is a really good option. I used to hate applying hair serums on my hair because they used to make my hair super greasy just on the second day of my hair wash, but I have been really liking this hair serum. And the other one is the L'Oreal Hyaluron Moisture Hair Serum. Now this is for extremely dehydrated hair and it smells like exactly like the shampoo. I haven't tried this out that much. मैंने इसको recently Pink Summer Sale में लिया है and I got this one in the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Also after using this, it adds a beautiful shine to the hair. I really like this serum. But if you have extremely dry hair, like my mom has curly hair and her hair is very dry, she does not like this. I feel like she's going to enjoy this. Both of these hair serums works better with damp skin. We have another new launch product. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Glow BB Cream. I am in the shade 55. Now this feels like a moisturizer. It has a very dewy finish. It has a sheer to buildable coverage. I personally prefer using this with a primer. I don't like to skip my primer with this. And this is a great product for everyday use. If you are going to office, college, this is a really good option for everyday use. Then we have is the Elle Lip and Cheek Tint and I'm in the shade Tropicana. And this is an orange tint. It has a very gel-like kind of texture. It's not liquidy at all, so it's very easy to work with and you do get some time to blend out the product. This settles into a slightly dewy finish. It's not matte. This is the one I'm wearing right now. This sits pretty well both with and without makeup. Like bare face पे भी ये बहुत pretty लगता है and it blended pretty well on top of makeup as well. It did not remove my base makeup. It's pretty affordable. So for the price you're getting, it's a really good product. This is definitely not a new launch product, but this is something new to my vanity. This is the Mars Double Trouble Mascara. This definitely adds a lot of length and volume. This is the mascara I am wearing right now. But I feel like this is slightly clumpy if you go a little overboard with it. However, it does not feel very heavy on the eyes. It did not bleed. It's very lightweight. अभी मुझे देखना पड़ेगा कि ये कितना easily remove होता है. I think it's a waterproof mascara. I hate waterproof mascaras, but anyways, I think I would like this better once it gets a little older. I have noticed that the older the mascara gets, the better the formula becomes. And that's everything that's new in my vanity. You just got a sneak peek into my vanity. If you enjoyed the video, like this, subscribe to join the family, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.